Speak this over your life today, and let fear lose its hold as God fills you with confidence and boldness. This is Psalm 27, personalized as a powerful confession. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked come against me to eat up my flesh, my enemies and foes, they stumble and fall. Though an army may encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war may rise against me, in this I am confident. One thing I desire of the Lord, that will I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord and to inquire in his temple. For in the time of trouble he hides me in his pavilion. In the secret place of his tabernacle he hides me. He sets me high upon a rock. And now my head is lifted up above my enemies all around me. Therefore I offer sacrifices of joy, and I sing praises to the Lord. Hear, O Lord, when I cry with my voice. Have mercy also upon me, and answer me. When you said, "Seek my face," my heart said to you, "Your face, Lord, I will seek." Do not hide your face from me. Do not turn your servant away in anger. You have been my help. Do not leave me, nor forsake me, O God of my salvation. When others may leave me, the Lord takes care of me. Teach me your way, O Lord, and lead me in a smooth path because of my enemies. Do not deliver me to the will of my adversaries, for false witnesses rise against me, and such as breathe out violence. I remain confident of this. I will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. I wait on the Lord. I am strong, and my heart is strengthened as I wait on him. I wait on the Lord. Father, I thank you for being my light, my salvation, and my strength. I trust you, and I stand confident in your presence every day. If this spoke to you, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. I walk in God's promises daily. I am covered, protected, and secure in him. Amen.